How to make your friends list completely private on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Facebook application on your device. Log into your account. Head towards menu icon at top right by tapping three-line icon. Select Setting and Privacy at bottom. From this expanded section, choose Settings. Scroll down. Now look for the option of how people find and contact you. And here you will see who can see your friends list. Tap on it. Now choose Only Me and tap Save. Now your friend list has been completely private on Facebook. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.